In front of me is OPPO A57S, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this OPPO. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then choose Apps section. Now you need to click on App Cloner and select one of your available apps, in my case Facebook. Then click on the switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Over here you can click on when using quick functions, select wherever you wish to and click on Rename App Clone. Now you can rename your second app. I will go with F2 and click on Save. When I go back and try to access Facebook, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your cloned app, you need to access the same settings and tap on the same, now green switcher. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up by selecting Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!